Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. I know it's been a while, you guys, but I hadn't found any products to really review, and I got these way back when. I've actually had a chance to use them a couple times now, and I can do a review on them. Now, these are from the brand E-Circuit, and they're electronic wipes. You get 25 for $1. I believe these are most of the time at Dollar Tree, if you can find them. And it says they're safe on screens. They dry fast, anti-static, streak-free, shine. It says helps keep your screen crystal clear and fingerprint free. It says you can use on your cell phone, TVs, laptops, tablets, and more. Once again, you get 25 in here for $1, and you honestly cannot beat that. I do have a before and after picture of our TV. This is the gaming TV, and Connor uses it sometimes to watch YouTube and game. Obviously, we know that if you have little children, there's going to be fingerprints and this and that. The other day, he was eating a yogurt, and it was like a Go-Gurt, and some of that, like, I guess he flicked it from his mouth or something. Some of that got on the TV screen. So that was in the picture too. And I used these wipes to clean the TV. It took 2 of them to get it completely clean. But they work. They work. Definitely shine free. It does dry fast. So a couple of the claims are definitely true. Dries fast, streak free. And the TV did come fingerprint free. So these are awesome. They really are for $1. They come in just a sealed up kind of taped package. They are really saturated. It is a 7-inch by 10-inch wipe, and you can always store these sealed upside down to make sure your top wipe is always moist. But it's a pretty decent sized wipe for cleaning. And if anyone was wondering about any kind of smell, a weird smell, these do kind of smell like Windex kind of cleaner. So they do have a cleaner type smell to them, but it's not bam, in your face, overpowering. So I was really impressed with how well these actually clean the screens. Now on the back, it does say that these are flammable and to keep out of reach of children. Here are the ingredients. I did use these on my tablet as well, and my screen came back very nice and clean. Absolutely no streaks. No streaks. Now, if you were buying these just to use for your television, I would definitely pick them up for the television. It did wonders. It works so nicely. And honestly, I think it did a better job than the Philips TV cleaner that I actually purchased at Walmart for $10. Can you believe that? I know, right? $1 versus $10. These are Greenbrier International. And it also says that on the usage directions that you can use these on your remotes and keyboards, any touch screens. That's really neat. These are really nice wipes, you guys. Nice big size, super moist. They are all saturated. Very nice. I mean, 25 for $1. Honestly, you cannot beat it once again. Now, I'm going to insert the before picture of the TV. And as you can tell, it was really dirty. Fingerprints, yogurt on it, all that stuff. And here's the after. Definitely got the TV clean, streak free, and it did dry fast. So all its claims are there. These do work. I do recommend if you have a lot of electronic kind of stuff. I definitely recommend these. Hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree review, shedding some light on great product. And thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I will link the Dollar Tree review playlist in the description box below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming Dollar Tree videos.